This is Bhavit, a student coordinator at Marvel, and I'll be taking you guys through the student track. So what essentially is the student track? The student track was started 2 years ago, exactly when Marvel was started, and it's the oldest track in Marvel. So it's the flagship program of Marvel, and we've been guiding students across 4 batches as of now. So what do the students in student track do? So in student track we have 5 domains, and this progresses through 3 levels. So what are the 5 domains? The 5 domains include artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing and cybersecurity, design and prototyping, electric vehicles and renewable energy, and Internet of Things. So across these 5 domains we have 3 levels. So the first level focuses on the basics of what initial things are required for you guys to grasp the concepts of your domains. And the second level focuses on the application oriented projects for the things that you had learnt in level 1. And level 3 is basically a culmination of what you have learnt in level 1 and level 2, and you have to do a project. And this project doesn't have to be limited to your domain. It could be span across any other domain, and it could be a multidisciplinary project as well. So this will in turn help you to contribute back to Marvel and also to the society at large with your projects, and also help you better understand what you have learnt so far. So that's it guys for the student track. Thank you.